A lot of stay-at-home moms think they need money, experience, or even a laptop before they can start making money online. But sis, that is not true. Right now, there are real ways women are making money starting from zero amount of money. They are using just their phone. Yes, just their phone, and they are slowly building income from home, I'm telling you. In this video, I'm going to show you simple and realistic ways you too can start. But before I continue, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Peace Ubioganedoro, and yes, you're welcome to Savvy Moms Finance. Here, we talk about practical ways women and mothers can make money, build income online, and improve their financial situation step by step. Okay, let's continue. One of the ways women are making money right now is through social media content. This simply means creating short videos, making posts on what you already know, your experiences, your daily life, or helpful tips. And over time, as you grow, you can start earning from your views, brand deals, or even business collaborations. This is real, it's happening. See, all you need to do is to start. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be famous. You don't have to be a celebrity. All you need is to start right from where you are. Start with what you have, with just your phone, and be consistent. Another way is through affiliate marketing. This is simple. You recommend products or services you know or you already know. Please, when it comes to affiliate marketing, it should be something you know, something you have done, something you trust. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission, even though you didn't produce the products. It's one of the simplest ways people or beginners can start making money online. Another thing is freelancing. Yes, you can do freelancing with just your phone. You offer simple online services like managing social media accounts, replying messages, writing small contents, or even designing with apps like Canva. Truth is, there are people already getting paid for these simple skills. Another option is digital products. In fact, this one, I love it. You create things like planners, ebooks, or even simple guides. You create it once and sell it continuously online. The idea behind digital products is this: instead of working every time or creating a product every time you want to earn, you just create it once and keep earning from it. Another thing you can do with your phone is to offer online services. You can help small business owners post content, reply customers, or even manage their pages. The tasks are very small but valuable to those who need help. In conclusion, I want to say this: you can start right from where you are. You can start with that phone you have. If you have a phone with internet, you can start. The biggest mistake you will make, or any woman will make, is to wait until she figures everything out, until everything is perfect, because that time will never come. Sis, you don't need to be perfect. You need to start simple. You need to start with what you have. Start with your phone, because consistency, small consistent steps can change your financial future forever. If you got value, if this video helped you and you've not started anything online, I want you to come to the comments now and type, I am starting with my phone. And if you have started already, come to the comments as well and say, I have started already. And remember to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Savvy Moms Finance if you are not subscribed already, so that you'll be the first to know whenever we drop our weekly videos. I'll see you in my next video. Catch ya.